Hi, friends. This is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my January um, card kit from the Stamps of Life. So, you guys have been so sweet and reached out and said, no, 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 that's not what that kit is. It's not that month. And I so appreciate your encouragement. You guys are usually very, very sweet. And I so thank you for that. But I always want to say when I introduce a kit that always we have a problem with getting our mail. So we may not get our mail for 2.5 weeks sometimes. And you hate to say that happens, but it happens. And the biggest problem is because of us sheltered in and we have P.O. boxes, we are at the just our time is, or the times we go pick it up are at the disposal of only the postal workers. And they have been extremely kind to us, and they have been so kind to do curbside. And I am amazed by that. And we are very grateful. But we work on their schedule. So, anyways, and that has to stop soon. We are sorry, didn't mean to bump y'all. I'm gonna clean this because the floor's always gross in the post office. We live in cattle and cotton country. Everything's kind of comes in with a layer of dust. But our we are in the process of trying to set up because I have to mail so many kits that I am, that I have that will be in the Etsy shop soon. The Etsy shop is coming. We had so many delays, computer wise. And then I got sick. Hold on one sec. Sorry, getting a sip of my kombucha. If you guys don't know about this kombucha, I don't know if you can get it outside of Texas. It's, I think it's bottled in Austin, but this is primarily, the sugar in this is stevia, and it's only 35 calories. So a lot of people look at kombucha and go, ooh, there's a lot of sugar in that. This isn't. Of course, when you are fermenting kombucha, you always have to use sugar. That is what feeds the SCOBY. And we have 3 in our kitchen right now going. So it's just that way. Ooh. So you guys know I opened this with you guys. Look what's in the kit. Oh, that is so cute. Love it. And it's got a nice wipeable finish. Ooh. Let me see. Oh, yeah. This is really nice. I love that. That's sweet. All right. Now, I've already shared with you that I get the Die Hard Club, which is just the stamps and the dies. So when you get the card kit, it totally works with that. It's amazing. So I've got a really cute card of ideas. I love that. I wish I had that die. I love that die. But anyways, okay. Look at those cute little bows. Those are so sweet. Super sweet. And then here's some more. This is an extra, or maybe it's not an extra, but look. So you get the dies for that fish and that seahorse. And you're so cool. I'm so lucky to have a friend like you. Super, super sweet. And then this says Love and Life. And I love that they're putting stickers on these now because you can't always read backwards. And then you get the exterior die that'll cut it out. So super, super cute. Oh, I love those epoxy. I never buy these because when you buy them outside of a kit, it just costs too much money, even if you're getting them at like, Tuesday morning. But when you get them in a kit, you're talking pennies. It's such a good deal. It's such a good deal. Look at the Puffy stickers. Oh my gosh. As a sea girl, you know how much I love that. Our son, we gave him the nickname Turtle in his middle name. So I love that. I may have to save this for his birthday, and he has a summer birthday. Okay, so let's see the gorgeous, 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 gorgeous paper. And this looks to be a 6x8, which I love. 6x9. Ooh. And it's 24 total of 2 of 12 different designs. Okay. Took me a minute there. Sorry. I'm not feeling great yet. So look at that green. That's such a pretty happy green. Okay. There's those sweet little fish and seahorse. And there's the sand dollars. Okay. Some beautiful confetti. More sand dollars. Ooh, look at those stripes. Aren't those gorgeous? Her purple is so pretty that, as I work on my parents', binder memory book I'm going to be doing for them, I really love that color. I love that. And the paper quality is fantastic. Everybody's finally getting good about their paper. Ooh, that is beautiful. I love that. Same print, just bigger, but it also has the little clamshells in it and less fish. So The yellow Starfish. Oh, look at that. I love the seahorses. I don't know if you guys know this, but in Texas, there is a sea turtle release program, and a dear friend of mine participates with it down where I grew up in Corpus Christi, Texas. And, you know, that is on my bucket list to do. I want to go see the sea turtles open, you know, hatch, open, hatch, and then make their way to the water. I think it would be the most miraculous thing to see. And I mean, it's not for everybody, but it's, you know, I'm a coastal girl, so, you know, I love things like that. Love this. And one thing I've never been to Big Shell Island. I know, it's so crazy and it's gorgeous. I got a picture on my phone somehow the other day of it. I was looking something up about the Gulf Coast and I saw Big Shell and I was like, okay, done. That goes on the list too. I love this. Love and Life. That is neat. I love that. That's perfect right now. We need to do that. And another pretty yellow. Ooh, I love that too. More of the sand dollars. She really does a good job. Oh, there's those sea turtles. Oh, so sweet. That is pretty. Sand dollars. She kind of has a repetitive, you know, side B theme, and that's what this is. And then she kind of takes a variation of all the different themes there. And then there's those same confetti, but larger, a solid of that kind of orangish red, but it's muted. And then, oh, look, she's now putting in cut-aparts, which I love. How stinking cute. I have 2 nephews, and wouldn't that make 2 darling, absolutely darling, darling birthday cards. Look at that. Isn't that, I love that blue. Oh, there's 3 more. Oh my god. Well, I have 2 other nephews and a niece and a one on the way. That's so sweet. I love that. I love the Loving Life. I love the green. And then here, I think we repeat again. Yes, we do. So just so you get a quick view, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Stephanie and her team do a fantastic job. She is very good at her job. Okay, another thing that I don't put a lot of time into anymore, but I am thrilled to have it, is look at this gorgeous. She comes up with some really amazing. This is almost like a leather. Let me see here. That is a leather purple. Oh my gosh, I'm going to use that my parents' binder. It looks blue in the camera, like a royal blue, but it is very purple. I wish I had a blue to put it against. Oh, I do, right here in the office. Hold on. Here's a blue. So, well, they kind of match, but this is more blue. This has more purple. It's hard to see on the camera. But anyway, so I may put that in my parents' binder. I think that would be gorgeous. And, oh, look at that gray. That is gorgeous. And that would work perfectly. It has like a stitched look to it, but not a heavy stitched, a light. So very pretty. And then, here's all the gorgeous paper. So for all of my SOL girls, Stamps of Life, you guys have been so cute to tell me the colors of the paper and what your favorite was. I love that. So I'm going to read the colors down here and try to match them, okay? Because I stunk at that last week. Please forgive me. Okay, so this is a yellow sunshine is the color. Isn't that gorgeous? And it is substantial cardstock. This is blueberry. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that blue. So I don't know if you can see. See, I can see the difference. Y'all probably can't see it on camera, but anyways. Okay, this is a light blue, which is sky. So pretty. Again, and some of these are heavier than others. Like the royal blue wasn't anywhere near as heavy as, say, this particular sky. So I love this color. This is grape, and that I will use for my parents. Anything purple, I just pull and put in a thing for them. Anything I think that would go with what I'm going to do for them. And this it's gray, but what color is it? Cloud. I bet that's cloud. Is that cloud? If you guys know differently, tell me. Maybe I've got these colors wrong. I would think that would be cloud. Okay. And then here is another blue. Is that cloud? Oh, for goodness sakes. So the colors are poppy, blueberry, sky, blue jay. Oh, blue jay. That may be blue jay, or maybe the other. No, I bet that's blue jay. Grape, sunshine, kiwi, and cloud. I bet that gray is cloud. And then this has to be poppy. Isn't that beautiful? It is a real color of poppies. I totally agree. Wow, that is a super thick piece of cardstock. And in the camera, it looks orange, but it is really more red orange. So very, very much like there's a place in the hill country of Fredericksburg, Texas, and there's a wildflower farm, and they have fields and fields and fields of poppies, and they are gorgeous, gorgeous. So, okay, so here is kind of a green kiwi. I love that. That's so pretty. And then lots and lots of white. So, lots. I love that. So, yeah. So perfect. And then, of course, let me do this while you're with me so you know how this works. Yes, it comes in a little plastic bag that I save for other things like, if I'm watercoloring or, whatever. And then, of course, it has, let me see, one. I think it's usually 3, 4. Maybe it's always 4. I maybe remembering wrong. Of the paper that you can make cards out of. Card bases. You can use any from card base. And then you have, I believe, I want to think it's 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 12 envelopes. And then, not only is the box a good thing, but look at this. You can even put a label kind of right there or use that label there. Here is a fantastic plastic envelope to put the whole kit in. So I really let these boxes go quickly, or I use them for other like long-term storage things. And they're perfect for your journals as you use up your TNs. If you don't put them on a shelf, you can put them in that, and then you can label it and put it on, put it on your shelf, and it just really contains everything. Because sometimes journals get thick and messy, and you know what I mean. So the boxes are great for that. I do not know if I can get everything in here today because this is really a loaded kit. Again, I think, yeah, and this is extra long. I've only seen the 6x6 in all the years I did it, so I'm a 6x8 girl, pad girl, so I love it when they do 6x8s. So I tell you what I'm going to do so I don't damage the beautiful envelopes. I'm just going to double stack it. That way nothing gets creased. And then I'm just going to load it up. And then I have this ready. If I were out and about, I could just pick this envelope up, take it with me with a little bit of tape runner, maybe a little bitty tiny glue where I put my art glitter glue in these little bitty tiny bottles, and they go everywhere. They are perfect. Maybe scissors and a trimmer. That's all I'd take. And if you're going to stamp, then take, of course, an ink pad, and you're ready to go. This really is a huge kit this time, but yeah. So isn't that fun? Absolutely amazing. So this plus a trimmer plus the glue, whoops, and if you'd like a pair of scissors, I just put a small one in. And then if you have a tape runner, I am getting to where I don't use tape runners. I only use glue, so I'm good with that. Also, if you want to put an ink pad in, hold on. I'm just showing you what it can do on the fly. This is not, oh, there you go. There's a StazOn. And of course, you don't even have to take an ink, like a stamp, oh, what do you call it? The acrylic block. You can just put your stamp on here and just, open it up, put your ink, flip it over, put it in the ink, the bottom of the pad. It's not opening. Oh, here you go. So, and because this has a cover, it's even better. So you just put your stamp here. You go like that, and then here is your stamping block. How great and easy peasy is that? So, yeah, that's what I would take with me, and that'd be it. So, perfect, right? Okay, friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you. And most importantly, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Leave a comment. Tell me what you're doing if you get these kits, how you best use them. Do you use them in mixed media? Do you use them in card making? Do you use them in memory keeping? Junk journals? How do you use these kits? Because there's endless opportunities with these kits. I know Stephanie really focuses on a lot of card making, but I think even she's starting to to branch out a little bit. So anyways, I'd love to hear what you're using your kits for. So, okay, friends, thanks so much for stopping by. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. And I will be talking to y'all soon. And February is super fun on the channel. So make sure you are checking back in. I'm going to be putting up a what's happening in February video in the next day or so. So, all right, friends. Love you guys. Y'all be safe. Talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.